History. The use of cosmetics to enhance complexion reaches back into antiquity. Face painting is mentioned in the Old Testament. Ancient Egyptians used foundation. In 200 BC, ancient Greek women applied white lead powder and chalk to lighten their skin. It was considered fashionable for Greek women to have a pale complexion. Roman women also favored a pale complexion. Wealthy Romans favored white lead paste, which could lead to disfigurements and death. Men also wore makeup to lighten their skin tone. They used white lead powder, chalk, and creams to lighten their skin tone. The cream was made from animal fat, starch, and tin oxide. The fat was rendered from animal carcasses and heated to remove the color. Tin oxide was made out of heating tin metal in the open air. The animal fat provided a smooth texture, while the tin oxide provided color to the cream. Color classification. Cosmetic companies classify their foundations warm, neutral, or cool based on matching the skin tone of the wearer. A handful of professional lines, such as William Tuttle, Ben Nye, Vigira, MAC, and even Max Factor, do the opposite, naming their shades based on cancelling out the wearer's natural skin tones so they do not become excessively yellow, etc. In other words, with some professional lines, a warm skin would choose a cool foundation, and a cool skin would wear a warm foundation. The difference in naming is not attributed to different definitions of warm and cool on the color wheel. Selection. Although most artists differ over the significance of selecting an exact match to the wearer's skin tone, intentionally using a mismatch can achieve the desired result. An excessively red complexion can be minimized by using a clear, meaning neither yellow nor pink, beige-toned foundation. A sallow or dull complexion can be brightened with a rose to red tint. Mature skin that has lost its color and appears pale and dull can be brightened with a tint of clear pink, and olive or ashy skin can be brightened with a shot of peach. A crucial point in selecting a foundation shade is to recognize that the appearance of the shade in the container may not accurately gauge the color impact on the skin. A foundation that appears very yellow in the bottle may go on much less yellow, or not appear yellow at all.